living room. Muna ta sa kwarto. Muna ta sa mga kwarto. Da-da-da. Looking out. Closet. Extra banyo. Okay. Second kwarto. Closet. Third kwarto. May kinadakan ng kwarto side sa mga. So, basically, wala pa'y fence dere. So, dito pang silingan. Okay, balik ta. Ang living room. Living room. Kitchen sink in the middle of the living room. Machine room. Washroom. Tama na. Washing machine. Extra room. Tara. Nagikan sa garahe. Yep. Say hi, Papa.
Hi.
Hi, Zoe.
Kani? Kasi mo ni?
Okay. Dayon. Backyard. Ate mo na ang backyard. Backyard. Okay. So. Kitchen door. Muna ang kwarto ni Mommy and Daddy. Okay. Dere ang toilet. Dere ang toilet. Over there. Bathtub. Through and through. Bathtub. And over here is the wardrobe. Is the closet. Okay. Yep. I'm gonna love my closet. Jump. Okay, that's enough. Bye. Bye, everyone. Ay, bye-bye, Daddy. Bye-bye, Daddy.